Leetcode question 876, middle of the linked list. Given the head of singly linked list, return the middle node. If there are two middle nodes, return the second middle node. So example 1 is an example of the odd number of nodes. So in that case, we return the middle node. We only have one middle node. Example 2 is an example of even number of nodes in this linked list. So in that case, we return the second middle node. The idea for solving this one is to use two pointers. We have a fast pointer, travels at 2 times of the speed of the slow pointer. So in that case, fast pointer, the speed is 2 nodes at a time. For slow pointer, the speed is 1 node. And then, in that case, when the fast pointer reaches the end of the linked list, slow pointer points to the middle node. So that's our result. Let's take a look at two examples. Case 1, when we have odd number of nodes. Initially, slow pointer and fast pointer, they start at position head, and then after one move, slow pointer moves to the second node, fast pointer moves to the third node, and then we can continue moving. So after another move, fast pointer reach the end node, and then the move stops, and then the slow pointer stops at the middle node. So that's our result. For the case 2, when we have even number of nodes, after one move, the slow pointer stops at the second position, and then fast pointer reach the third node, and then they can continue moving. And then after the next move, the fast pointer reach outside of the linked list. So, and then the slow pointer stops at the second middle node. Let's start coding. We have the slow pointer and fast pointer. And there they are both the head of the linked list. And then while this fast pointer, and then also fast dot next. So in that case, we can move the slow pointer by one node at a time. And then we can move fast pointer by 2 nodes at a time. And then in the end, we just return the slow pointer. So this solution is accepted. So basically, to recap, the idea is to use slow pointer and fast pointer, and then fast pointer moves 2 nodes at a time, slow pointer moves 1 node at a time. And then the fast pointer will stop if it reaches the end of the linked list.